Hey guys, so welcome back, and this is how to get tags on Discord. So to do this process is you could just simply go ahead and go to your Discord, and now here on the Discord you could just simply go ahead and go to your server or channel that you have. And now once you are here, of course, in order for you to get tags like this, as you can see, we have multiple tags over here. Select the name of the server at the top, and you will have your server tag. And from here, you will just simply go for adopt tag. So this will represent your favorite server everywhere you go on Discord. And now, once you have done that, we should be able to have the tag, and you could just simply go for the user settings over here. And now from here, go for edit profile. And if we scroll down over here, as you can see, we will now have the tag. And there we go. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.